Do it. Make the change. Pull the trigger, make the change. Also, make sure you have the right team to help implement this. On our side, I had developed a really good team of some longtime employees, some people that knew the old software and knew our customers really well. And I think that made my life a lot easier in helping or made it better for our company. Being able to do the transition, it was a big deal. We had the same software for over 20 years. So going through a transition, getting everybody's buy-in, right? Not everybody likes change. We forced them to change, but we also got the right people involved in our business and had them dedicated for a few months leading up to it. And then afterwards, we kind of met on a weekly basis. Hey, where are we at on this? What do we need to do? And then kind of set up meetings as necessary on, hey, we'd like to do this, we'd like to do that. You need a good team in place. But that's the biggest thing is get the right people on board with you and that are going to put forth the effort to make the change. It's not easy. It's not an easy transition to make. It's worth it, all the headaches and things like that are involved in it. But you get really good support from the TrinSoft team. You got to put forth the effort, and in the end, you'll end up in a much, much, much better place than where you started. And that's ultimately what you're trying to do.